Good morning, class. Happy Monday. I wanted to show you some examples of finding volume. The first three-dimensional shape I picked is a right triangular prism. I feel like this one's kind of one of the harder ones to figure out, so I thought I would do this one with you. So the volume formula for any prism is base times height. But when I say base, it's like we call it big B, because big B stands for the area of the base. And so depending on the shape, you have to first decide what two-dimensional shape is your base. And so for a triangular prism, my two-dimensional shape base is a triangle. And so big B needs to be the area of that triangle. Okay? So if I look at the formula for a prism, it's volume equals big B times the height. So this is the other thing you need to be careful about. This height in the formula for volume is the height of the prism. Okay? So this big B is the area of the base. So area of the base. And in this case, the base is a triangle. Well, we just did area last week. And so what is the area of a triangle? Well, area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. But area, remember, is the two-dimensional shape. So this is the 2D shape. Okay, we're now getting into 3D. So first we find the two-dimensional shape of the base, which is a triangle. So in the three-dimensional shape, we need to look for the base and the height of that flat bottom piece. So in this case, the base is 3. And when I say base, that's the base of the two-dimensional shape. And then the height of the triangle, of the flat base. So the height of this triangle is 4. Okay? So for the two-dimensional triangle, I need to do 3 times 4 divided by 2. So 3 times 4 is 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. So this 6 represents the area of that two-dimensional shape. This 6 is the big B, okay? And so big B is 6. Now I need to multiply it by the height of the actual prism. In this case, this example is kind of funky because the height of the prism is right here. Like, how high does this prism go? So in this case, it's just 1. And we know that anything times 1 is itself. So in this case, 6 times 1 is just 6. And so my volume is 6 centimeters. And because we're in three-dimensional, we are now using cubic units. So 6 centimeters cube is the volume of this triangular prism. And I will put another example up in just a bit.